Hi guys, this is Mayo. Welcome to my fucking channel. Oh no, I'm so bad. Okay, hi guys. Welcome to my Mayo vlog. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Hindi ako madalas gumawa ng mga ganitong video, unlike before nung nag-vlog pa ako. Pero may isang nagtanong kasi sa akin. Meron kasi nagtanong sa akin na, Mayo, how did you handle the relationship you have before? Like a year ago. Like they saw me always posting something because I have long distance relationship with Black American. And then I'm just like, what about that? What about that? Yeah. I'm just like, okay, sagutin natin yung tanong niya. Na, how did I handle the relationship, this long distance relationship, being narcissist in a relationship? Because they already know that I did all the things that I can do. I can do my best, you know? I can do my best. My best that I best. My best was good enough. Cause here we're back where we're before. So never nothing changes. We're back to being strangers. Okay. Gonna answer that. The question is, how did I handle the narcissist relationship? Yeah, I can handle it before. Yeah, I can handle it because I'm stupid. One thing, I'm stupid. Aww. And it's just like alam mo yon, yung because you just in love, so you just like stupid, something like that. Ganyan naman tayong mga babae, 'di ba? Don't tell me that hindi ka tanga pag nagmahal ka. Hindi ka tanga. Ako kasi once I care. I give my loyalty, I give my respect, I give my faithful, I give my honest, something like that. It's like, sobrang minahal ko siya, yes. Minahal ko siya. Ginagulo.
May love ako sa'yo, kala ko'y pag-ibig mo ay tunay, pero
I did not expect that he do to me, because one thing, in our relationship, he got a broken before me. He just broken hearted with his ex is from America din. It's the personal ex, not long distance ex. Yeah, it's just like hindi ko masyado alam yung kwento nila pero parang betrayal din doon sa part na yun, parang ginamit siya, or hindi ko alam, sobrang stress siya. Then I just kept, guys, ako nga pala, I am a broadcaster from LiveMe, so we're just meeting on the LiveMe application, if you don't know. So ayun, like nag-meet ulit kami kasi before nag-stop ako ng LiveMe for 2 years. Nag-stop ako ng LiveMe, then I came back again in LiveMe, then nagtagpo kami. Then sa pagtatagpo namin yun, terrible kasi humihingi ako ng tulong before sa mga viewers ko. So he just give me a help. He just give me a help without asking, because nabasa niya sa broadcast ko yung ganon. So accept it. Then nag-usap na kami. Matagal na kaming friends. We're just friends like 3 years. Then hindi naman kami nag-uusap masyado. Parang hindi kami close, ganun. Then doon kami naging close. Yun, nag-usap kami. Yan, parang nag-date na kami, ganun. Nag-long distance na kami. Sinabi niya sa akin na, you know that I don't like long distance because the distance is parang sa kanya, parang trigger sa kanya ang long distance. Okay, we just like work out that, sabi kong ganon. Then hanggang sa dumating kami sa first move, like I got the DS160, like visa application. I got the DS-160 because he just paid it that for the DS-160. Tapos, after ng DS-160, I'm just hoping for continuation because I'm just in the center of the application, like for the biometrics and for the interview in embassy, in American embassy. So just like I'm hoping on that because we're just meeting in reality, something like personally. Just like, oh my goodness, this is the first time. The workout, ganon. Hindi siya nag-workout kasi every fight, he just cut off, kinakat niya yung pag-asikaso ko ng visa for the visit visa. Hindi ko alam. I don't know if he don't have money or he don't like it or someone control to him, something like that. And then sa akin, sige, kung ayaw mong ituloy, okay lang naman sa akin. It's fine for me. Something na okay lang. Talagang sa akin, walang problema. Kasi decision mo yan kasi ikaw ang gagastos. So that, madaling salita, it's your money. Parang ganon, money mo yan. So, ikaw na bahala, parang ganon. Kung hindi mo man ituloy, hindi ko rin problema kasi decision mo. I will respect your decision about that. Yon, parang ganon ako. Yung parang okay lang sa akin. Tapos, ayun na nga, ganon na nga. We're just always fighting the year. Oh my goodness, the whole year let's always fighting. Alam mo kung bakit? Kasi meron siyang he have attitude that I don't like. Yung parang yung boundaries mo sa tao, parang ganun. I don't know if I call that womanizer, but for me it's a womanizer because we are just in the application. He is a broadcaster too, he is a gifter too. For the first time, we just like kaming dalawa lang, wala kaming problema pag kaming dalawa lang. Pero that time na dumadating yung nandun kami sa platform, like maraming babaeng umaaligid sa kanya. Hindi ko alam, he making me jealous or what, something. Kasi babae ako. So, aminin natin mga babae na mga silosa tayo, di ba? Itaas niyo yung bandera nyo, silosa tayo. And then, dumating yung mga time na nahuli ko na siya, na nakikipaglandian sa mga ibang broadcaster, yung ganon, na parabang wala siyang jowa. Yun. Tapos sabi ko, ganito pala. Sige, okay lang, mahal kita. Okay lang, sige, I love you. Parang, sige, tanga-tangahan na lang tayo dito. Tapos, yung mga times na yon, tinatata ko yun sa utak ko. One time nga, nagselos nga ako dun sa super admin niya I got jealous to Dina because Dina protect him. Because of loyalty. Hindi ko alam kung because of loyalty or what, or meron silang relationship. Hindi ko alam. Basta yun na yun. Tapos, after naman nun, nag-apologize naman ako dun kay Dina na parang, I'm sorry. Parang gano'n, I'm sorry. I didn't know it na ikaw pala best friend ka lang pala. Kasi ganito yan. Once in na application na ikaw mismo, if you are, alam ko girls, alam nyo to ha. Alam nyo to. Kasi, yung mga adminship, super admin niya kasi yon. Then so parang ako yung girlfriend mo. I'm your girlfriend though. I'm your girlfriend, but I don't have right to have that position that I'm a super admin. Parang ganun sa kanya kasi she is my old friend. She deserves that. Girl, dan pa lang red flag ka na kasi sa bagay, hindi natin mapipigil yon na super adminship, hindi natin mapipigil yung ganun. Na hindi natin mapipigil na na gawin niya yon. So, respeto ko na lang din, sige, okay lang. Pero siya, super admin ko siya. Kasi nirespeto ko siya. Pero ako, he did not respect my feelings. Yon, hindi niya na-respect. Sa akin, okay, sige, bahala ka, di ganun. Okay na, move on na dun. Tapos nakita ko siya, nakipaglandian dun kay Tinapay, punta-punta siya dun. Yung pala, dinidiskartehan din niya. Someone told me na sinabi daw niya dun sige, kay King 6'1", kay Terrence Pasley na kung pipili ka ng babae, mas piliin mo si Mayo kasi si Mayo is neutral, parang natural siyang babae, clingy siya, talagang meron siyang effect sa tao, yung ganun. Yung babae na dinidiskartehan mo, di naman natin kilala yan, hindi naman siya palagi sa apps, pero si Mayo makikita mo siya everywhere, parang ganun, na comfortable siya, parang ganun. Siguro pinili niya ako dahil sinabi, my goodness, pinili lang pala ako dahil sinabi yun. Tapos ang nangyari niyan, eto ha, doon sa situation namin, ito yung sa narcissist situation, na hindi ko alam yung ibig sabihin ng narcissist. Sis, hindi ko alam ang ibig sabihin ng narcissist. Nalaman ko lang yung ibig sabihin ng narcissist nung break na kami. Nung ko lang nalaman. Kasi nagkaroon ako ng mga friends. Nung time na yon, nung time na yon, wala akong friends. May friends ako, yes. Pero hindi ako allowed mag-friends. Nagagalit siya. Ito yung pinakang unfair sa kanya. Yung tao na ayaw niya. There's someone people na he don't like it. Kailangan I don't like din. Hindi ko rin siya like. Parang ganun. Yung binlock ko na yung I don't like niya. Yung ex ko, mga ganyan na hindi naman nakikialam sa buhay ko, na wala naman pakialam sa buhay ko. Yun. Yung pinabablock niya yun. Tapos yung parang may mga kaibigan ako, talagang promise, I'm sorry sa sa mga friends ko, alam nila, naintindihan nila ako dahil nga tanga ako, naintindihan ako ng mga friends ko, sila Chubby, sila Natalie, sila Asjel, sila Jo, ayan, naintindihan nila akong lahat kasi tanga nga ako, na talagang pinagtanggol ko pa yung walang kakwenta-kwentang bagay na yun. Tapos di yun, accept ko na tanga ako. Tapos ayun, wala akong friends. Kapag nakikihibim ako, nagagalit siya, questionable. Tapos one time nagdo ako ng broadcast. Tapos may nanlandi sa akin sa DM. Alam mo yon, may nanlandi sa DM. Yung paglandi ko sa DM, siya pala yun, girl. Wala naman ako ibang sinabi. Sabi niya sa akin, do you like black guys? Sabi niya gano'n. Sabi ko, okay lang. Pero hindi kami officially na kami pa that time. Parang nanliligaw-ligaw pa lang siya sa akin, gano'n. Tapos, nagalit siya sa akin, girl, kasi nilandi ko daw yung sa DM. Sinabi ko daw na offerin ko ng body massage. Girl, masahista ako! Anong i-offer ko? Puki ko? Girl, what should I offer? My pussy? Hell no! So, yung DM lang naman yun is so parang DM lang siya na walang katotohanan. Alam mo yun, not in reality kasi DM lang naman siya. Mangyayari ba yun? Amerika ka, shit, bukas nandito ka na. Putang ina. Tapos edi yun, one by one to sa narcissist ha. Tapos, control niya ako, girl. Lahat, control niya ako. Ako hindi ko talaga alam, promise. Wala akong alam about narcissist. Dito ako na-control. Yung parang controlled na, talagang controlled na ako dun. Yung parang, hindi ko alam saan ang gagaling, kung saan ako humuhugot ng mga controlling something. Hindi ko alam. Tapos yun, na ano ko na lang na parang nakokontrol na niya ako, na parang minamanipulate niya na ako. Every time we do broadcast, like kailangan alam niya, kailangan nandun siya. Tapos alam mo ba yung unfair dito? We just call like sa gabi sa atin sa Pilipinas, gabi, magdamag, tapos hanggang umaga sa kanya. Alam mo ba yung time na yung time na oo nga, tatawag ka, tulog ako. Anong sense, 'di ba? Anong sense? Oo nga, magkausap tayo, pero may iba kang kausap. My goodness. 5 hours on call, tapos makikita ko may mag-screenshot sa akin ng conversation nila. My God! King 6'1", 5 hours on call with me, and then you texted someone? Oh my God! Oh, teka lang ha. Yung si texted someone, explain ko sa inyo yan kung sino. Pero, puputulin ko muna itong video na to. Itutuloy natin to. Ay, may eyebag siya. Excuse me, kagigising ko lang, wag kang kagigising ko lang na maganda, wag kang Tapos yon, sige, paputulin ko muna to at sunod natin yan ha, explain natin yan. Hi, I'm back. I'm back. 'Di ba pinutol natin yung video nung nakaraan, 'di ba? I just got the videos the other day. It was on the, I will explain it, who is that fucking girl who's having a conversation with my man, even we are on call. That's so exciting, right? Hindi ko alam nyo guys, sa narcissist kasi, ngayon ko lang nalaman na may tao palang narcissist. Kasi hindi ko alam yun before. Kasi wala akong mga taong nakakausap. So, focus lang ako sa goal ko. Focus lang ako sa relationship ko kung anong meron ako. Dahil hindi ako friendly na makikipagkaibigan ako. Actually, sa totoo lang, this is the most I regret it. Because I avoided myself to my friends. Alam nyo yun? Iniiwas ko yung sarili ko sa mga kaibigan ko. Which is, alam nila yon na kesyo gawa kasi ni ganto. Tapos, yun na yun. Tapos, eto yung sa narcissist kasi yung, dito pumasok yung yung sobrang controlled kanya. Yung parang, there have a time na control kanya sa pagiging, pagmamanage ng ng sarili mo. So, 'di ba, nasa live industry kami. So, it's just broadcasting industry. We're all on that. So, probably there's a lot of people looking at you and talking to you. Hindi niya gusto yung maraming tao na nakatingin sa akin. Hindi niya rin gusto yung mga tao na kumakausap sa akin na walang binibigay na regalo, which is sa akin, for me as a person, as a Filipino, it's good for me even you don't give nothing. Like, if you don't give nothing to me but the friendship, yun yung hinahanap ko kasi nga genuine people. Kasi once na you find someone that you already know, and then they already know you, they gonna give you, or they gonna give you, right? Or if you something asking help, they gonna give you help because they know you, and then they are something like that. Like na nakakuha ka ng genuine people. Yes, hindi ka nga nila binibigyan ng regalo sa first time kasi hindi ka pa nila kilala. So, nandun tayo sa point na kilalanin mo muna yung tao, 'di ba? Ganun kasi ako eh. Yung sa kanya kasi, being narcissist, controlled niya. Gusto niya i-block ko yung mga tao na hindi naman dapat, yung ganun, yung mga parang sa kanya yung yung parang ang taas ng ego niya, ang taas ng pride niya, parang ganun sa kanya. Which is, hindi ko gusto yung ganun. Nasa boundaries dapat yun eh. Pero ako, obey. Kasi nga, bobo nga ako eh. Kasi nga, tanga nga ako eh. Napakatanga ako. Tapos, ayun na yung kwento na, okay, sabi niya, ng lalaki ako, sabi niya, they are cheating on him because I messaged someone. Nag-message ako sa isang person kasi yung girlfriend niya, niruin yung broadcast ko. So, I just messaged him. So, tapos, yung sa adding ng Snapchat, wala ka nang pakailam kung sinong i-add ko sa Snapchat, and you don't even care, you don't give a fuck who I add on Snapchat because that is my privacy, to be honest. And I did not care about who you talking to in your personal life. You get it? Kasi tayo mga babae, tanga talaga tayo. Aminin nating bobo tayo. Kasi once na, I'll just be honest to you, like, oo, ganun tayo. Aminin na natin yung tanga tayo sa pag-ibig. Aminin na natin yun. So that, yun nga, dumating sa time na, alam yun, he gonna blame me on that. What the heck? Pero ako, I never blame him. Hindi ko siya binlame kung sinong ina-add niya sa Snapchat or may Snapchat ba siya. Hindi ko siya tinatanong, may Snapchat ka ba? Because we're just talking WhatsApp. I'm focused on that. Nag-uusap kami sa WhatsApp, so I'm focused on that. Hindi ako para magtanong ng, hindi ko pinanghimasukan yung sarili niyang yung private life niya. Hindi ko tinanong sa kanya sinong kausap mo diyan, no, hindi ko tinanong sa kanya. Pero siya, alam niya lahat yung sa akin. Alam niya lahat kasi nga kasi nga may pinoprotektahan siya. Tapos yun na nga yun, yung kausap niyang babae is yun na nga yung babae niya ngayon. That's the woman is told him. Something like yung woman na yun winork out niya talaga yung pagiging bitch niya kasi talagang nag-workout siya dun sa pagkuha niya dun sa dun sa naging ko. Talagang inano niya talaga yun, talagang winorkout niya, talagang pinush niya talaga na makuha. Kasi yung woman kasi, that woman have a reason why she just wanted to steal my boyfriend and just a revenge for me because he got a boyfriend before. His name is me. Si It's Me kasi nakipaghiwalay sa kanya, and then she not getting accept that the man is separating with her kasi hindi niya talaga matanggap yun. So that si It's Me naging kaibigan ko. So kaibigan ko si It's Me that time. He told me that never ko siyang tinulungan for that guy na bumalik sa kanya. So I just ginawa ko yung best ko na kinausap ko yung guy. So yung guy talaga is ayaw na talaga kasi very toxic ng girl. Ayaw niya na talaga. Sabi niya, Mayo, hindi ko na talaga. Ayoko na. I don't like it. Sabi niya, I don't like it. I don't want to go back. Sabi niya ganun. Hindi na talaga. That is done. Sabi ko, bakit? Baka may second chances pa. Sabi niya, hindi na, wala na talaga. Tapos, edi, stop na ako. Kasi, wala na, ayaw niya. Tapos, that time, pinakilala ko siya dun sa jowa-jowa akong negro. Tapos di nung pinakilala ko siya, hindi ko alam na interesado na pala siya. So that, ako naman, bobo, akala ko kaibigan ko siya kasi nag-break nga kami nitong negro kong jowa eh. Tapos sabi ko sa kanya, help mo naman ako, can you help me to get back him, talking to him because he blocked me all my accounts. Sabi kong ganun. Sabi ni Queen, sabi ni Alexa, okay, I will try my best to talk to him. Yon. Pero never niya akong tinulungan about him. Never. Hindi niya ako tinulungan. But I'm stupid on that because I'm just like, I'm so fucking frustrated on that. I'm depressed, I'm stressed, something like, yung mga broke up na ganun. Tapos, one time, just like, nag-uusap kami ni Alexa, sabi ko, alam mo ba, ito, ganito, ganyan. May sinawa ko sa kanyang picture, na I didn't notice it, that, yung jowa kong negro, nakahawak siya sa dick niya. So, he just handled his dick, but I didn't see it right away, na nakahawak siya sa dick, then, I just like, remote control, because, yung remote control is, beside on that, holding dick. So, pinorward ko yun kay Queen. Sabi ko, ito teasing na ganito, pag ganito, sabi kong ganun sa kanya, yung parang ganito. Hindi ko naman alam na handled niya pala. Akala ko umbok lang or what, hindi ko alam. Tapos doon nagsimula yung sabi ni guy told me that that's the starting because you show my dick to her. You know that, guys, alam mo, this is not tawag dito, hindi ito yung tamang paraan kung bakit ka mai-inlove sa isang tao dahil lang sa ipinakitang dick sa'yo. No, hindi ganun. Kasi kung talagang may delikadesa kang babae, hindi ka mai-inlove sa isang lalaki na never mo pang kilala, 'di ba? Hindi mo siya kilala eh. Hindi kanya niligawan or what, hindi kanya yung parang hindi kayo matagal na nag-usap, yung ganun. Kasi kami kasi ni Terrence Pasley, friends kami over 3 years, but hindi kami nag-uusap kasi mayroon kami mga kanya-kanyang destinasyon sa buhay. So tagpo lang kami when I came back in Live Me, doon lang kami nagtagpo. So ito na nga yung si girl, kung talagang meron kang delikadesa sa buhay or meron kang respect, you have a respect to yourself, hindi mo gagawin yung ganun, 'di ba? Kung talagang respetado mo yung sarili mo, hindi mo gagawin yung ganung bagay na I distance myself kasi ito he just a boyfriend of my friend. Parang ganun. Kasi if ever na ako yun, I will not talking to you anymore. That guy, no. I will just talking to you if you something like yung kontian lang, hindi para kita agawin, I didn't stall you because hindi ako interesado. Pero that girl Alexa is interested to my man. That's it. That's the very clear interesado siya. And then the man is got interested to her because she gave a lot of diamonds to him. I don't know if the girl is wasting money to send something to him or something impressing na halimbawa or pagkain or something like that na ipapadala sa kanya dun sa place niya, kaya na-hook yung lalaki sa kanya. Hindi ko alam. Ewan ko. There is the narcissist is like controlling. Like nandun siya sa point na narcissist na siya yung over control sa akin. Siya yung laging nagsasabi sa akin ng ay siguro ganito, siguro ganyan, ay siguro yung mga ganong senaryo, hindi ko alam kasi yun na kaya pala niya ako trying to fight always, kaya pala ako trying to argue always, kasi yun na nga pala yung sinasabi natin na cheating, micro-cheating, na all of my friends told me that, Mayo, you're so fucking stupid. You know that your boyfriend cheating on you, and then, like, okay, I don't even care if he's cheating on me. He just is still on me. Like, nandito naman siya sa akin. We're just like on call. Like, what the fuck? Kahit pala kami on call, nakikipag-usap pa rin siya dun sa babae. Like, talagang cheating na talaga. As in cheating na ang sa akin, sana, you just tell me that you love her. You know? Just like, sana sinabi mo sa akin na mas gusto mo siya, na you like her than me. Then you broke up me in a good way. Not like this. Just like, nakita ko pa kung paano ka mag-cheat. Nakita ko pa how did you get hot-headed to me. Something na, alam mo yung mga bagay na alam mong mawawala na sa'yo at alam mong kakalas na sa'yo. Kaya pala, he told me that, okay, if you wanted to leave, go leave. Sabi niya ganun sa akin. There's a lot of messages that I show it. Like, okay, if you wanted to leave, so leave. Kaya pala, he forced me to leave because he just have a rebound na already. Or not, not a rebound. He just have a relationship na already. Even we are still together. Tapos yun, dumating kami sa part na ganun, mahigpit siya, yung parang, basta, yung, alam mo yung, kung nafe-feel nyo ako ha, ang hirap kasi i-explain sobrang hirap i-explain ng mga ganung bagay. So, ako nahirapan ako mag-explain. Alam mo kung bakit? Kasi masakit sa akin It's hurt for me because he just like proved to me that the woman we always fighting is the woman he just choose. Yeah, but he just saying that I didn't choose her. She don't have life. She don't have future. Like something, ang dami niyang sinabi dun sa babae na masama. Alam mo yun? He told a lot, he's saying a lot of bad words for the girl, you know? Tapos yung babae sobrang tanga din kasi we're just broke up and then you know that you rebound. You're a rebound girl. I will tell you ha, ex na ako. So meaning nagawa na namin ng lahat. 'Di ba? Ex na ako. So meaning nagawa na namin ng lahat, uulitin na lang sa'yo. 'Di ba? It's just like hindi mo naisip yung girl kasi sobrang sobrang libog mo kasi dapat queen, alam mo, kinalmahan mo yung puki mo. Tapos sasabihan mo pa ako ng ako yung whore? Paano ko naging whore? Isang titi lang ang pumasok sa puki ko. 'Di ba? Isang titi lang pumasok sa puki ko. Parang yun lang talagang tatay ng mga anak ko. Then after that, wala talaga akong naging boyfriend or what. Wala. Kasi hindi ko feel. Alam mo yun, hindi ko feel magpakapokpok. Hindi ko feel. Pero sasabihin mong mukha akong pokpok. Yeah, you can tell it that because you just realize yourself. To be honest, nakikita mo kasi yung sarili mo, tapos binabato mo sa akin. Ganun yun. Ganun yun. Ako, pansinin mo ako I didn't tell nothing about you because I don't know you who you are, motherfucker. I don't know who you are. But the thing is, even na I know that all the people saying to me that you're fucking whore, hindi ko naniniwala sa kanila kasi gusto kong makita ikaw mismo. Alam mo yon? O, di ba, nirespeto pa rin kita, queen. Nirespeto pa rin kita sa paraang yan. Kasi nga, di ba, ang sabi ko nga sa'yo, wag mong gawin ang ayaw gawin sa iyo ng kapwa, 'di ba? Ako I did not revenge you, sa totoo lang. No, I didn't revenge you all. Pero the thing is, I gonna tell what I want kasi ano ko 'yun? Tawag dito para sa akin is yun ay kung sa sarili ko ay anong Tagalog doon na ano ko para sa sarili ko yon, yung ito yung time ko para magsalita. At actually yung lahat ng sinasabi ko is totoo, walang kasinungalingan sa sinasabi ko dahil proven and tested na lahat yan. Tapos hindi ka naniniwala sa akin na he just message me like he just wanted something. I pretend that we are not together but we still together. Then if I pretend that we are not together, you still dropping him gift. Then he just cash out the gift that you sending, and then the money he send it to me. Hindi mo, ang bobo mo. Pero dahil hindi ako ganong klase ng babae, dahil hindi ako masamang babae, yung hindi ko siya inallowed na gawin yon kasi it's so very bad that you giving him diamonds, then he cash out and he giving to me on my GCash. Hindi kasi worth it, hindi kasi maganda yun. Alam mo yun, yung karma, nandun yung karma eh. Ikaw, queen, matakot ka sa karma. Kasi you know that, not only king ang lalaki mo, you have a lot of man. It's just like there have a man here. Girl, ikalma mo yung puki mo. Sabi ko sa'yo, girl, ikalma mo yung puki mo. Ikalma mo yan. So, guys, puputulin ulit natin tong video na to kasi susundo na ako. Yeah, exciting pa. Marami pa akong gustong sabihin about narcissist. Ito is kwento to dun sa pagiging narcissist sa relasyon namin. Kasi lately ko lang kasi nalaman na may relasyon, may narcissist palang tao na hindi ko talaga alam. Ngayon lang ako nabuhay sa mundo. Parang ngayon ko lang talaga nalaman yung about sa narcissist na ganun pala yun. Nagpakatanga ako dun. And then, alam mo ba yun? Every time na he just listening to me in my broadcast, like I do broadcast and I'm talk shit on my broadcast because you know it's my part because I'm hurt, you know. Hindi mo if you don't even care about me, you don't even care about what I say because that's what I did to you. Because even you talk shit about me or behind my back, I don't even care. Did I say it something to you if when I heard you talking something shit? No, because I don't even care about you. Why you care about me? And you message me, borrow my WhatsApp, huh? And then you see someone in my beam, or you see someone hang around with me, you message him. Why? You said get fucking life. You get fucking life. Don't care about me. Don't give a fuck what I did because I don't even care about you. That's 20 minutes. So, putulin muna natin to. Hi everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Wow! Guys, I think na-discuss ko na last time this one. Pagdudugtong-dugtungin ko na lang yung mga kwento about narcissist because I'm just telling the story of what I experienced for the narcissist person. Like, for the narcissist person, he is Black American. Yeah, he is Black American from Minnesota. Yeah. He is from Minnesota. His name is Terrence Pasley. So it's just like, okay, okay. You can say it to me. You can tell it to me that I can't move on. Fuck you.
Oh, yes.
Yes, you're right. I can't fucking move on what you did motherfucking to me. Because, you know what, in the first place, it's just like, what the fuck? You just fucking replace me, the woman that we always fighting. Do you know how much it's hurt for me? It's just like fucking hurt for me because I already know that you have relationship with her and then you keep her. You know what? And you know what I'm saying? I just want to let them. You know what? It's just like that's the reason have why I get mad to you. I'm so fucking mad to you, Terrence Pasley, to be honest with you, because you have a lot talking, you have a lot saying to me. Like, you told me that before, that she don't have future, she don't have life, and why you get in love with her, and why you want her. Diba? You told me that before to me, and then you have a lot of saying that you're telling me. Yeah, you have a lot of saying that bad thing about her, and then right now we're just seeing us with her. Oh my god, you fucking eat your fucking words. That's you know what, my friends told me that, yeah, that is very right. That is very right. Yeah, that's why they call you racist. The other race, they call you all racist. You know why? Because you just making your words that you can eat your words. You know what? You eat your words, and then you're fucking lying, wannabe. I'm just laughing on that to you, to be honest. I'm just laughing, like laughing, something like that, laughing at you. There's like there's a lot of words that you can say, bad words to her, and then you just choose her. It's okay, you choose her over me. It's okay. Now I really understand why, because your face, your mind is wanted a money in diamonds. That's it. You did not even admit to yourself that you need a money in diamonds. You told me that before. Now you make a good money. Yes, you make a good money. What did you say to me? Just pretend that we are not together, and she come back to me and she dropped me diamonds, and after dropping diamonds, I can give you the money that I cash out in Live Me. Are you fucking man on that? No, you're not a fucking man on that, to be honest with you, Terrence Pasley. I will shout your name. It's Terrence Pasley. Hello. Yeah. It's just like you don't have right to get mad on my fucking blog or whatever. Is this one? You don't have fucking right, because you're not fucking hurt and you don't love me. You never loved me. I'm sorry. You never loved me. All the fucking dumb relationship. You know what? Because you told me I'm always complaining. Who complain about? Who complain? Because one thing, someone follow me, and then you told me that why you follow? He's so hardly coming to your broadcast. Why you gifting them? They did not gifting you. They gifting you more than them. You know what? I'm not actually like that, eh. I'm not fucking greedy, to be honest. You know me already. You know me already. Yes, you give me a money if you like it, you know. If I really need it, did you give it? No. Because one time I'm in the hospital. Yeah. I'm just asking for the $20 for the food, something, because I'm on the hospital. What did you say about me? You're fucking I'm fucking idiot because I'm just asking money and I just wanted the junk foods. Hello, it's not a junk food though. I can buy something on there, but I'm just asking you some help because I just need. And then you let me fucking starve. Yeah, heck, are you crazy on that? And then you just like blame me because I'm just gifting 3 diamonds to my ex Kevin Lopez. The heck, are you crazy? It's just like fucking 3 diamonds. How about your motherfucking ex that drafting you a lot of diamonds? And how about Queen drafting you continuously drafting a diamonds? Did I react? No, because I don't give a fuck on that, because I just let you do that shit, you know. And then you fucking complain me a lot. It's just like, what the fuck, what's happening? The heck? And don't get mad about me, huh? Don't get mad if I'm saying something on my fucking broadcast. Don't fucking mad about me, because you know what, motherfucker? Because this is my right. You know what? This is my right to say what I want to say, because this is the truth, because I'm a fucking victim on here. So now, if you just like saying something on me, or you just like destroy my name on a fucking live me, or you get banned or something else, I don't give a fuck on that. It's your fucking problem, not me, because I'm doing something to you. I'm not doing something bad to you, to be honest with you. You know that already, Terrence Pasley. You know that already. You know that already, King 6'1". I know that you have a relationship with her, but you didn't tell me the truth. You just keep fucking lying. And then one time, you just like um um looking for the whole of a problem, like I unblock someone, something like that, and then someone gifting me that the people you hate. You know you're not fair, because you know what? Because I told you that I don't like that fucking girl. You know what? Because they just like sneaky with you, and then you like it, that you like it, the attention of that. Yeah, you really like the attention. And you know what? I don't believe to the other people that you don't love me. That's so fucking crazy. I'm fucking lame on that, to be honest with you, because I don't believe to them. I believe to myself, to be honest, because you're fucking manipulate me. And then you know what? It's just they are fucking right. My goodness, I regret. They are fucking right. If I wanted to cry, I just cry to my stupidity to you, to be honest. But I don't have time on that. Yeah. I told you, we're just like we chatting, we're just like we talking. Yeah. And then you said we're not together. The heck? You make me fucking crazy. We're not together, but you're still calling me. You're still saying I love you to me, and you're still saying something. And then now, what did you do now? What did you do now? You still stalking me. I never stalk you, Terrence Pasley, on Live Me. I never stalk you because I don't want to hurt my feelings. That's why I'm not stalking you. I don't want to hurt something from you and from motherfucking Queen, her. Yeah, I don't want to hurt about that, because you know what? I don't want to hurt myself. Yeah, I don't want to hurt myself. And just like, what the fuck? Why I hurt myself to listening to you all? It's nonsense. Make it sense. You always saying make it sense, and you always saying get a life. Get a life. You get a life yourself, you know, because you're always looking at me. You're always listening what I'm saying. You don't want me to talk about that relationship you end, because I'm right. You know what? Andre come into my broadcast and I say, and you know what? I'm just surprised because Andre talked to me, and then Andre told me that, Mayo, your man is still Queen. I said yes. Yes, she's still my man, and she's not stopped to steal my man until she get it. You know what? You know what, Queen? You know how you get Terrence Pasley? Because I already giving to you. Yeah, Terrence Pasley know that. Yeah, you know what Terrence Pasley said? I choose her. I choose her. Yeah, he said I choose her. Like she just like he don't want to admit that he choose you. But to be honest with you, he used you to have a diamonds and money, to be honest. And you're fucking stupid, Queen. I know, yeah, you're stupid. You're always stupid, yes. And you know what? I'm not surprised about that, to be honest with you. It's just like, okay, if you like it, get it. That's it. No reason to control it, no reason to say something on that, no reason about that, because you all have relationship. While I have relationship, you know that 5 hours calling me, that he have a phone call with me while I'm sleeping, and he is still sending you a messages. Do you know that? I'm not crazy, I'm not fucking stupid, but I know a lot. Yes, I know a lot. And you don't have right to say it that may you shut up. No. No. You don't have right to say it that, because for the first place, I'm the victim of here, and I'm not doing something on you, I'm not doing bad on you. It's just like I'm not saying something when you fucking cheated on me, and just like, this is my place, this is my right, how to say it. Yeah, all people in Live Me who knows me and who knows King 6 feet 1, my top number 1 gifter on Live Me, he just fucking lying wannabe. Yeah, he just fucking lying wannabe. He just make me hope to get the visa. Yeah, and he just got stopped with the visa shit. You know what he said? Fuck the visa. Fuck the visa. Yeah, he said that. And then, okay, fuck the visa. Fuck it. That's it. And then while he is with me, he keep talking to Queen. Yeah, he keep talking. You know what? Because he needs some money. He needs a bad diamond. You know that I'm not saying a lot of people in Lie Me. I'm not saying about what my relationship. But yeah, I'm just telling it's cheating on me. But the peoples know it. Yeah, the peoples know it. The peoples know that, to be honest. Yeah. And I got some messages from Terrence Pasley always. Yeah. It's not always, okay, sometimes. Always, like always. It's just, yeah, okay, sometimes I get some messages from him. It's just like, you still stupid? Okay, I'm stupid. You still cheating? Because you still messaging me. If you don't care about me, you're not watching me. You're not messaging me. And you even don't care about me, what I've said. But the thing is, you trigger it because I'm saying the truth. The truth is nothing but the truth, you know. I don't know why you replace me. I think you get tired on me. Yeah, I think you got tired on me because I don't have money, and she got the money. Did you know that? Where did she get the money? Ask her. Yeah, and you're not the only one, man, huh? Yeah. And the girl, you know what? Hindi lang ikaw ang isang babae sa kanya. Kung ano yung ginawa niya sa akin, gagawin din niya sa'yo. Yes. I'm an ex. We're just doing a lot. And probably, they doing to you again, over and over. Yeah. Oo, ex ako. Nagawa na namin ng lahat. Yes. At uulitin na lang sa'yo, Queen. Yeah, uulitin na lang sa'yo, Alexa. Ano nga ba apelyido mo? Alexa Quancom? Something like that. Ang ganda pa naman ng pangalan mo, Alexa. Ang ganda pa naman ng pangalan mo. Kaso puta ka eh. Alam mo, ako sa'yo, Queen. Ayusin ko buhay ko kasi alam mo, matanda ka na eh. Matanda ka na eh. Ito lang payo ko sa'yo, ha, Queen. Huwag ka masyadong manggamit ng tao. Huwag ka masyadong manggamit ng tao. Yung mga kinakaibigan mo, ginagago mo, grabe ko. Sobrang grabe ka. Sa paraang yan, sobrang grabe ka. Yes, sobrang alam mo yun, wala ka ng respeto sa sarili mo. Sana man lang nirespeto mo yung nanay mo no? Sana man lang nirespeto mo yung kapatid mong babae, o kaya yung lola mo na nagpalaki sa'yo, nag-ampon sa'yo. Sana man lang nirespeto mo yun Sana may konti kang respetong tinira sa sarili mo, no? Sana lang, ha. Sana itong message ko sa'yo, Queen, tumalab yan sa puso mo, kung may puso ka pa. Ewan ko lang kung may puso ka pa. Kasi ako, hindi ako para magnakaw ng ng mga bagay na hindi para sa akin. Lumalabas dito kasi magnanakaw ka magnanakaw ka. Hindi ka tumitigil hanggat hindi mo nakukuha yung bagay na gusto mo. Alam mo, may sakit ka. Ikalma mo yung puke mo, Queen. ikalma mo yung puke mo, ha? Sa susunod na mga lalaking mapupunta sa'yo, ikalma mo yung puke mo. Kung wala kang pera, queen, magtrabaho ka, maghanap buhay ka, ganun. Hindi yung kung sino-sinong lalaki ang hihingan mo at kapag hindi ka binigyan at hindi ka in-spoiled, aawayin mo. Alam ko yan eh, kasi nakausap ko yung mga lalaking naging napapunta, yung mga naging lalaki mo, okay. Yung mga naging lalaki mo, nakausap ko sila. Bago ko gawin yung vlog ko, bago ko gawin tong vlog ko, nakausap ko sila. Alam mo, hindi mo kilala si King. Hindi mo kilala si King. Kami 1 year kami na struggles. Yes, struggles because he is narcissist. He is controlled. He is manipulating. Yeah, alam ko magpapamanipulate ka kasi gusto mo siya. Yes, oo, gusto mo siya sa ngayon. Kasi nabibigay mo pa, sweet pa kayo, nabibigay nyo pa yung mga pangangailangan nyo sa sarili nyo, yung mga libog nyo, yan, nabibigay pa yung mga ganyan. Pero once na hindi binigay yung ni King yung gusto mo, alam ko iiwanan at maghihiwalay din kayo niyan. Maniwala ka sa akin dahil walang forever. Bakit? Ikaw nagkaroon ka ng forever queen? Sino forever mo? Lahat ng lalaking napunta sa'yo at lahat ng top gifter mo galit sa'yo. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Pero ako, tanungin mo sila kung galit sila sa akin. Hindi sila galit sa akin. Baka nga ang ganda pa ng sabihin nila eh. Si Mayo, di mo maghubad yan eh. Truth. Ako, sasabihin ko sa'yo, oo, kay King, 6'1". Oo, kasi gusto ko siya eh. Pero dun sa mga hindi ko naman nagustuhan, na mga bibigyan ka lang ng diamonds, kapirot, Diyos ko, anong kapalit laman mo? Huy, sinasabihan kita. Sabi ko sa'yo, ako maganda akong kaibigan. Nakilala mo ko sa apps. Pero hindi ko akalaing tatraidorin mo ko. Alexa, hindi ko akalaing tatraidorin mo ko. Pero may nagsabi naman na sa akin eh, talagang traidor ka daw talaga. Kita mo, iniwan ka ng mga kaibigan mo, di ba? Wala kang kaibigan. Nakita mo, may kaibigan ka ba? Sino mga kaibigan mo? Mga baguhan? Nakita mo ba mga kaibigan ko? Kahit saan, sinasama ko. Kahit saan, magkakasama kami. Nagkayakagang kami. At tingnan mo mga kaibigan ko, years. Hanggang ngayon, kaibigan ko pa rin sila. Ewan ko lang kung may ganun kang kaibigan. Pero ako sa'yo, baguhin ko style ko. Sana last na yung seeking, ha? Sana hindi mo nagawin sa ibang lalaki yan. I hope you did not do that to the other men, that you use it for your own sickness, whateverness. You know? Ikalma mo lang yung puke mo, queen. Kalma mo lang yung puke mo. Pwede ka naman magganyan eh. Magsarili ka. Di ba ang galing mo? Napanood ko nga yung video mo eh. Yung nagaganong ka. Panood ko nga yun eh. Yung mga nagaganyan-ganyan ka. Panood ko yun eh. Pasalamat ka na lang. Binura ko yung mga video yun eh. Tapos yung mga may picture ka pang may mga pepe, may mga puking ganyan. Pasalamat ka. Binura ko yun. Kasi ako, tunay akong kaibigan. Ayoko ng ganyan. Ayoko ng malaswa. Kapag nagsend sa akin ng kaibigan ko ng ganyan at malaswa, binubura ko yan. Kasi alam mo kung bakit? Ayoko. Ayoko madungisan yung pagkatao ko. Kasi gusto ko, ang kaibigan ko malinis. Eh kaso, ikaw na nagdumi sa sarili mo. Ayun. Madumi ka naman talaga. Nagkamali ako eh. Nagkamali ako sa pakitungo sa'yo. Kung sa iniisip mo si It's Me, babalikan ka. Hindi na. Kasi tinan mo yung ugali mo. Ganyan pala ugali mo. Ako ngayon ko lang nalaman na ganyan ugali mo. Sa totoo lang. Sa tagal nating magkakilala, ngayon ko lang nalaman yung ugali mo. Ganyan pala ka puta. Tinatawag mo akong bitch. Tinatawag mo akong kung ano-ano. Diyos ko, tumingin ka muna sa salamin. Tingnan mo muna yung salamin bago mo ko tawagin ng kung ano-ano. At saka siguraduhin mo, malinis ka. At ayun nga pala guys, ayan. Guys, tinatapos ko na yung about narcissist, pero gagawa pa tayo ng ibang mga videos about narcissist. We're just making about the videos for narcissist because I already experienced their narcissist. And I'm very thankful that I separated to the narcissist. I'm very thankful on that. Sabi niya sa akin, we're done. We're not going back again. It's over. Over and over forever. Okay, Terrence Pasley. It's over and over and over forever. It's okay. it doesn't matter, it's over. Alam mo yon, natutuwa ako kasi nakuha ko yung sarili ko dahil sa mga narcissist na to. Natagpuan ko yung sarili ko kung anong meron kasi nakulong ako sa pagka-narcissist niya. And girls, if you have a relationship with a narcissist attitude, can you please write it down in the paper? And just like if you write it down in the paper, can you please, girls, can you please do that red flags? Because I did not do in myself the red flags. You know what? Because I just stupid fucking in love with him. You know? And anyway guys, ayan nga pala, tinatapos ko na ang video ito. Ito nga pala yung katapusan ng kwento ko about sa narcissist. Pero, if ever na gusto nyo pang malaman kung ano yung mga kwento ko, at meron pa akong mga kwento para sa narcissist, gagawa tayo, i-comment nyo lang sa baba, i-comment nyo lang dito sa comment section about their narcissist problem and about narcissist red flags. Meron tayo nyan. And everyone, I'm not surprised about the comment on here, because I'm saying something shit on here. They are affected on that. Anyway, thank you so much for watching me and to subscribe my YouTube channel. From the bottom of my heart, thank you for being such a special part of my journey. While goodbyes or bittersweets, like, I know this is just the beginning of something even greater for you. Wishing all the best. I don't like to say it this, but you decided to broke me up. I respect what did you decided. And I know it's hard for us, it's hard for me, but we need to do this because you decided. You already decided. I'm sorry if I assume that we're together still, but I respect your decision. If you replace me with her, it's okay. It's okay. Don't ever expect that I replaced you. No. You know how much I care for you. You know how much I love you. You know how much my loyalty and my faithfulness. You know already me. And taking care of yourself. Thank you so much. Thank you for everything, Terrence Pasley.